A crisp white canvas hosts bold red text as a 60-second timer begins, introducing a sharp 1-minute focus hack. The first 4-second phase executes a deep inhale through the nose, a slow exhale, and a mental focus lock on the task. The second 4-second phase follows, narrowing attention to one concrete goal, pushing aside distractions with a firm wall of thought. The third 4-second phase completes the cycle, refreshing posture and momentum, before the timer nudges participants to begin again. Viewers try this now and comment done to lock in the habit.